Hey, what's happening guys, my name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Ultimate Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how you can fix if your Windows search bar is not working properly. That means if you're typing something in the Windows search bar and it's not working, the indexing is not working. So to fix this, all you have to do is you just have to go to this PC, C drive, Windows, and here you just have to search System32 folder. And once you go into System32 folder, here you have to search for a file that is ctfmon, this file guys. So just right click on it and run it as administrator, and once you do that, the issue is fixed, and now all you have to do is just restart your computer. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to subscribe guys. This is Saurav signing off, and catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.